Hi, guys. Good morning. Today is day 4, and I am so happy to share with you progress. Looks like I do have some green on my thumb. Uh, yeah, the basil is already sprouting. Look at that. Look at that. I don't even have to get that close. But yeah, they're sprouting, and I'm happy to say, yes, progress is there, and here we go. The aloe is yet to show some progress, but woo, okay, but it will, I'm sure. I'm going to spritz the surface again today, and like I said, this is day 4, so keep watching because as soon as these get leaves on them, are you going to see them again? Oh yeah, and then I have some other plants that I did that are going to be coming up too, so stay tuned.